So now that we've got our piece cut and sit in the hole, or the used to be hole, now what we want to do is, since we did cut all the way to the stud here earlier, if you saw in the video, remember in the video earlier, what I did was I cut all the way to the stud. So what I'm going to do is use drywall screws to screw this piece, put a couple of drywall screws into the stud here to hold this piece in place. And then what we're going to use is some drywall tape here. This is kind of new school here. I like to use this when I'm doing patch jobs. The old school works really good too, but it leaves a lot of places where you can see or notice that there's been a repaired wall. It doesn't work too well for if you're trying to resell your home or something like that, but this right here will work fairly well. So once we get it all screwed in place here and taped up, then we'll start video back up so I can show you guys what it looks like. And what I'm going to do with the tape is I'm just going to tape a few pieces across before we start putting our spackle on. As we've seen in the video earlier, we'll be using all-purpose spackle here to join the joints back together. This is a joint compound that I normally use in repairing walls and stuff like that. But here's a real freehand job here. If you really want this to look really good to the eye when you first start with this, you want to take your measurements. I've done this quite a bit, so I didn't do a whole lot of measuring. Just really freehanded a lot of this. But as you can see, it turned out pretty good as far as the cut.